My name is DJ Homecoming and I am a mixed DJ. I love music. Music drives me. I listen to music every single day. My love for music started when I was very young because I grew up in a household where there's a lot of music. I grew up listening to a lot of DJ Fresh, a lot of Christos, a lot of Festus Mixwell. I play deep house music, but at the same time, I don't want to box myself because I'm a house DJ. So I can play Afrotech, a bit of Afro jazz, a bit of commercial, not too much though. But my sound is specifically deep house music. To start with, that sneaker is very clean, like that is fresh. The first time I saw it, I was like, this looks comfortable, and I get a bit of old school vibes mixed with like the modern style, especially with the colors and the texture as well. So I think those two combined together, it gives it it's a unique style.